Tesla's stock price has just fallen to a new all-time low. But what happened to cause this massive price crash? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome to Trade Daily, where we break down all the best stock market news. Like and subscribe to keep up to date with the stock market. And I really hope you enjoy this video. Tesla brought back an insurance subsidy purchased in China through year-end, following a price cut in late October as the EV giant tries to boost demand amid soaring production. Meanwhile, CEO Elon Musk continues to spend a lot of time with his recently acquired Twitter. Analysts say there are concerns his tweets and moves could tarnish his image and thus Tesla's brand and Tesla stock. Tesla stock continued to sell off Tuesday, closing in on a May 2021 low. Tesla is also recalling more than 40,000 2017-2021 Model S and Model X vehicles over a possible power steering assist feature. Reuters also reported Tuesday. Tesla is handling the recall via an over-the-air update. On Tuesday, Tesla announced a November insurance subsidy worth 8,000 yuan, $1,100, for people buying its EV in inventory as the company looks to increase orders. In December, the subsidy will be reduced to 4,000 yuan, $550. Tesla previously introduced a 7,000 yuan insurance subsidy on all vehicles in late September, as wait times for its EV fell essentially to zero. From Oct 1, Tesla has offered 0% down payments and preferential loan rates. Those incentives served as de facto price cuts. Tesla cut actual Model 3 and Model Y prices in China on Oct 24 by as much as 9%. Following those October price cuts, Tesla briefly eliminated the insurance subsidy it had implemented in September before reviving it Tuesday. Since Elon Musk took over Twitter on Oct 28, he slashed roughly half of the social media site staff while tweeting frequently about his plans, politics, and more. There are concerns that Musk is distracted from running Tesla, as well as worries that he could be hurting his image, which could spill over to Tesla's brand. There is still some speculation that Musk will need to sell more Tesla stock to cover his Twitter takeover costs. Tesla delivered 71,704 vehicles from its newly upgraded Shanghai plant in October, according to the China Passenger Car Association. That was up 32% vs a year earlier, but down nearly 14% from the record 83,135 in September. Tesla exported a record 54,504 vehicles from the Shanghai plant in October and sold 17,200 in China. The global EV giant reported Q3 deliveries of 343,830 cars, up 42% vs a year earlier and above Q1's record 310,048. However, that was well below analysts' estimates. The company said it faced logistical challenges throughout the quarter and that there were vehicles in transit. And just before we continue, we're giving away a $50 Amazon gift card every single day. You just need to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and get the bell on. Also, comment at Love Trade Daily to lock in your entry. Winners will be contacted privately. Good luck. Now let's not waste another second and get right back into the video. Tesla produces the luxury Model S sedan, the Model X SUV, as well as the Model 3 sedan, and the Model Y crossover. Other vehicles in the works include the Semi and Cybertruck. Musk has said the Cybertruck is on track for mid-2023 rollout and that the Tesla Semi will begin deliveries by the end of 2022. He tweeted in October that Tesla was starting production on the Tesla Semi-tractor trailer trucks. Deliveries to PepsiCo were set to begin on Deck 1. Musk says the electric semi-trucks will have a 500-mile range per charge. Tesla production is surging, especially in China, so demand needs to rise substantially in Q4 and beyond to match supply. China EV subsidies expire on Deck 31, while Germany will reduce its subsidies as of Jan 1. That should pull forward demand for Tesla and other EV makers, but could mean weaker demand in the new year. Unofficial China vehicle registration data for the first week of the month shows the U.S. EV giant trailing rival BYD by a large margin for overall vehicle unit sales. New vehicle insurance registrations in China between Oct 31 Nav. 6 totaled 110,539, up 43% compared to last year but down 12% from the previous week, CNE Post reported Tuesday. BYD, the world's largest maker of EV and plug-in hybrids and China's largest seller of pure electrics, led the way with 37,168 insurance registrations. Elon Musk's Tesla was second with 11,195 registrations. China EV startups NIO, Li Auto, and XPeng were far behind, but among the top 14 vehicle manufacturers. Tesla stock fell 3% to 191.10 in Tuesday's market trading. but was well off the session low 186.75 as the broader market gained steam. Shares are down more than 40% on the year and approaching May 2021 lows, according to MarketSmith analysis. Tesla stock has sold off hard since Musk's Twitter takeover. And on Monday, Tesla stock hit its lowest level in about 18 months, and the shares continued to move further below the notable $200 level Tuesday. As of 1:53 p.m. ET, the stock was trading down by 1.5% after having touched a new 52-week low of about $187 per share. The catalyst for Tuesday's decline may have been a new vehicle recall. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the recall involves just over 40,000 2017-2021 Model S and Model X electric vehicles. The issue is the potential for the EVs to lose power steering assistance under certain road conditions such as bumps and potholes. Tesla began to send out over-the-air software updates on Oct 11 to recalibrate the vehicle systems. But after receiving alerts related to the calibration values, Tesla decided to voluntarily recall the affected vehicles. As of the start of November, the problem had been addressed in almost all involved vehicles, so the direct impact to Tesla's business should be minimal. But it's another blow to the brand. CEO Elon Musk has repeatedly been in the news surrounding his recent takeover of Twitter. Since that deal closed, Musk has made numerous public comments via the social media platform that may not be helping Tesla's brand. On Tuesday, a senior Barron's writer published a column in which he warned that Musk's dealings at Twitter may be negatively impacting Tesla shares. Whether his ownership of the social media platform distracts Musk from his duties as Tesla's CEO may not be the issue. As Tesla has grown, he has managed to also run SpaceX and his other businesses. But Musk did take on debt to close his Twitter purchase, and it's conceivable that the cash flow from the business alone won't cover those debt obligations. If he is forced to liquidate more Tesla stock, it could have the short-term effect of driving down the price and leading others to sell the stock too. Elon Musk's net worth slips below $200 billion as Tesla shares waver. Elon Musk's net worth dropped below $200 billion on Tuesday as investors dumped Tesla Inc. shares on fears the top executive and largest shareholder of the world's most valuable electric vehicle maker is more preoccupied with Twitter. Musk now has a net worth of $194.8 billion, according to Forbes, with a big share of that coming from his nearly 15% stake in Tesla, which has a market value of $622 billion. The company has lost nearly half its market value, and his net worth has dropped by $70 billion since he bid for Twitter in April. Tesla dips as investors worry over Musk's attention to Twitter. Investors initially fled Tesla on worries over share sale by Musk, who has divested at least $15 billion worth of stock. He closed the $44 billion deal last month with $13 billion in loans and a $33.5 billion equity commitment. Now Wall Street fears that Musk has stretched himself too thin at a time when the EV maker is ramping up production and faces rising competition. It seems like Elon Musk is spending 100% of the time on Twitter, and you know, it might need more capital, said Jay Hatfield at Infrastructure Capital Management. Since buying Twitter, Musk has made very few tweets on Tesla, a practice that helped him gain traction on the platform. He has instead used Twitter to announce plans for the social media company, such as the $8 per month subscription for blue tick verification. The net worth of the world's richest person, who also owns rocket company SpaceX, is roughly $40 billion more than the second richest person, LVMH owner Bernard Arnault. Tesla shares were down 2% at $193.7 in afternoon trading, falling for a third straight session. This news may leave you feeling a bit hopeless about the future of Tesla, but experts have predicted Tesla will be worth an incredible $4,000 to $5,000 per share in 2030. Watch this video here to find out exactly how.
And with that, we've come to the end of the video. I'd like to give a huge shout out to anyone who's made it this far. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd also like to make it clear that this is a news and entertainment video, not investment advice. You should always do your own research and speak to a financial advisor before making any investments. Thank you all so much for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the chance to win up to $20,000 in Amazon gift cards, and we'll see you in the next video. If you want more crazy trade news, how about this video we did?